Welcome to Beginner's Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 10 useful shortcut techniques that you can make use in your Windows 10 operating system. Again, all the shortcuts that we are going to learn today is based on one key, which is this Windows button. Now, let's get started. The first shortcut key is Windows button together with a semicolon. So the semicolon button, you can find them in your keyboard right there. So what is going to happen when you press Windows button together with a semicolon? We are going to get emojis. So how can we use that emojis? Let me show you how we can make use of this shortcut key to use the emojis in our document. As you can see them here, this is my Word document. Here I want to use some emojis. So what all you need to do is press Windows key together with that semicolon. So it is going to give us this window where we can make use of these emojis. There is a different type of emojis that you can find them in this list. You can use any one among these emojis. Let's say I wanted to use this emoji. Double click, then close. As you can see them here, this emoji is being added to your document. So whatever the emojis that you wanted to use them, press Windows key together with the semicolon. Now let's check the next shortcut key. Windows key together with the tab key. It is going to give us the history of files open. What does it mean? Let me demonstrate you. So press Windows key together with the tab key. It is going to give you the history of files that you have used for the past 1 month. For example, this is a 2 files. I'm using it right away. So as you can scroll down here, you can able to see earlier today I was using these files. So you can able to see the history of file you were working with for the past 1 month. That is the use of the shortcut key Windows together with the tab key. Then let us move on to the next shortcut key, which is Windows key together with this greater than symbol, or you can use Windows key together with this less than symbol. So what is the use of this shortcut key? If you want to view two documents at the same time, you can split your window right side and the left side. For you to do that, you can use the shortcut key Windows together with the greater than symbol. It can help you to split the screen towards the right. When you use Windows key together with this less than symbol, it will help you to split the screen towards the left side. The next shortcut key that we are going to see is Windows plus D. So what is the use of this Windows plus D? It is going to close all the active opening windows. Let me show you how it works. So there is a PowerPoint which is open. So let me say there is a Word document which is open. Let me say there is my browsers which is open. If I wanted to close everything together at once, so what you need to do, press Windows together with D. So it is going to close all the active opened pages in your computer. The next shortcut key that we are going to discuss is Windows plus the plus symbol, the addition symbol in your keyboard. So what we call this one as a magnifier. So what is the use of this magnifier? Let me show you. So when you press Windows together with the plus. When you want to zoom in, press Windows key together with the plus. When you wanted to zoom out, press Windows key together with the minus symbol from the keyboard so that it can zoom out. Now here, as you can see, when you click the views, there is another two options. When you click lens, what is going to happen? If you wanted to magnify something, you can use this lens option, or you can go to the view. When you use this docked option, what is going to happen? Whatever that you do them here is going to come up there. I'm sure that you can able to see the screen now. Whatever that I do them here, you can able to see them on top. This is a use of the shortcut key Windows together with the plus. It is going to give you the magnifier. If you wanted to see the full view, you can go to the full screen so that you can zoom in. If you wanted to zoom out, you can click this minus symbol. Let us move on to the next shortcut key, which is nothing but Windows plus Shift plus S from the keyboard. What is going to happen when you press these three keys together? It is going to give us the snipping tool. So let me show you what is going to happen. Let me go to my browser. I am going to use Windows, Shift and S. Now let's say I wanted to snip this one. Snip. I wanted to paste this one into my, let's say into my PowerPoint. Then press Ctrl V. As you can see, I used this shortcut key for me to snip this information from the browser. So this is a use of snipping tool. So for you to snip, you can use the shortcut key called Windows plus S together with the Shift key. Right? Let us move on to the next one. The next one is we are going to use the Windows key together with the numbers. For example, in our keyword we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and to 0. So when you press Windows together with these numbers, what is going to happen? It is going to open the pinned item. So what does it mean? In my laptop, these are all the things are pinned into my taskbar. When I press Windows key together with the 1, it is going to open the first pinned item. When I press the Windows key together with the number 2, it is going to open the second pinned item from my computer. For example, when I press Windows together with 1, as you can see, my first pinned item is open. When I press Windows with the number 3, is going to open the third pinned item from my system. So this is the use of Windows key together with a number. Let us move on to the next shortcut key, which is nothing but Windows plus X. It can help us to open the task manager. If you wanted to open the task manager, press Windows key together with X. So what is going to happen? Press Windows key together with X. It is going to give me the task manager. The next shortcut key that we are going to discuss is about Windows plus E. It is going to open the File Explorer. So what is the use of this Windows plus E? When you press Windows key together with the E, it is going to open the File Explorer. This one can help you to access your document. If you wanted to go to the My PC where you wanted to access the different, if you want to go to the My PC where you can access the different drives, it can help you. So Windows plus E is the shortcut key for you to open the File Explorer. Let us move on to the next one. The last one, the 10th shortcut key, which is very useful, is Windows plus L, which help us to lock the Windows. If you want to lock your system, use the shortcut key called Windows plus L for you to lock the windows. This is about the video, guys. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.